Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is really exciting. I am in Sweden right now. Today's video is something different, totally different. If you follow me on social media, you will notice that I love cooking and I love food and I love my Ghanaian dishes. My friend and I cooked some Ghanaian dish, and then we decided that we are gonna share with you guys our recipe, just to share with you one of the few things that I enjoy doing, which is cooking. So let me just dive right in and enjoy the video. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm cutting okra. So that is aubergine. You peel the skin of aubergine and then you cut them. So these are okras. Most people call it okra, right? So these are the okra, and then we're gonna cut them. So we're making okra stew. We have here pepper, very spicy, cut onions and ginger. We are gonna blend. Initially blended the onion and the ginger, and now she's blending a little bit of tomatoes and garlic, and this is the tomatoes. Right, we have here goat meat and fish. As you all know, in Africa we eat the fish and the meat together. Something that I know about Switzerland, that they don't mix this kind of meats. Yeah, she has in her hand a Maggi cube, yeah, that she's gonna use to spice the meat and the fish. She's gonna add the blended ginger and onion in the meat, cook it with salt and stuff to give it the spice she needs for the stew. Obviously, the fish cooks different from the meat. The fish cooks real quick, and that it will just tear apart if you mix them. So that's why she's separating the fish and the meat. Let's meet our chefs for today. Hi, Julian.
Hello.
He's the chef help, and then there's Lavia. Hello. So yeah, and then of course there is me. Yummy dummy. Hey, look at the meat. Today's gonna be late, and of course we are adding mushrooms. This is called Ghanaian kitchen. It's all in. You know, Ghanaian food is when there's more meat than the sauce itself.
Okay guys, so this method is really very simple. You don't have to cook everything differently. You just pour it all in one pot. You add the chopped onions to the meat. Keep on watching. Now the salmon is cooked. We all know the strength of fish, right? It doesn't have to be cooked for a very long time. It's cooked now, so you just reserve it.
Cook the mushrooms for a few seconds, and then just add it up in the
chopped onions are cooked now, so you just add your blended pepper and tomatoes to it. This is what we have after I cut the okra. Healthy food, man.
Yeah. Everything is going into the pot all at once.
Right.
So we add the eggplant now.
We are on a vacation in Sweden, and we are making some Ghanaian dishes.
A little bit of water.
She's gonna add these okra into it
For it to cook.
More water. Yummy okra. This is how it looks when it's cooked. Right. She's gonna add the, what are you adding?
Cooked mushrooms.
Exactly. She's adding the mushrooms. God damn, my mouth is watery. And the next level. What fish is that?
That is salmon.
Salmon fish. She's adding fish. In the Ghanaian dish, there's more meat than anything. This food is full of meat. Oh my God. Marry a Ghanaian woman, they said. He will eat good, they said. It was right, man. Yes, baby. Look at that.
This is called zomi. And
That is palm oil. She put the palm oil in a bowl with onions just to fry the oil, so that if it has like a taste, the onion frying it will give it a better taste. So basically, she's gonna pour the oil in the stew.
Add the palm oil to the sauce. Guys, look at that.
Oh my god. Look at that. I want to know. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
Oops. Okay. It's really hot. Be careful.
Damn. Damn. Ah. They made a dough out of the maize, the corn. So she's gonna put water in it and then put it on the fire. This is when you add water to the corn dough. She's gonna put salt. You add it with salt, and then exactly, and then you just leave it on the fire. You stir, yeah, and then you see it will just all come together.
Hot water.
Yeah.
You let it boil.
Okay. Okay, so she's gonna make them in balls, like round balls,
Round ball.
like that. And she's gonna just like gradually look like, so we can eat it.
Eh?
Are we eating it like that?
Yeah, it's like that.
Yes, we are eating it like that.
Okay.
Normally, I use this Banku mix powder. You just add water to it and put it on the fire as the same process.
People, I am super excited. Food is ready. Look.
It's like food. Oh, like
It is ready, man. Look, babies.
dinner.
Goat's meat.
Got me. God damn.
Did you open fish?
Honestly, I feel sorry for anyone watching this video. I'm horribly sorry. I am so sorry. That's her food. She cooked and that's her food. Yes. And then Julian, is that your food?
Yes.
All right.